Right now, Claire and I are at Guest River Gorge Trail. It's just over there. We're gonna take a little bike ride, I think just a mile and a half or so down the trail.
And I actually learned from my friend that was 6 and I was 7. I didn't know how to ride my bike yet, and she taught me.
That's true, and you ride all the time now?
Yes, I pretty much do it.
You wanna head over there and start?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So we're just now going. Oh, wait, right. Okay. Which way are we gonna go? Which way do we go?
Right through there.
Okay.
Watch out.
What's this?
You keep going.
This is pretty cool, huh? One time I was going fishing with my cousin and her dad, and we didn't really catch any good fish to bring home. I had pet fish a long time ago, but it died, and the next day it was just gone, so I don't know where that one went. But then I got some. Huh? What? Oh, sorry. Out here going that way. Out here going that way.
I don't think that goes anywhere.
True. So, and then we got some other fishes, but the orange one died. Yeah. So what we decided to do was get another orange one. And then when we got the other orange one, I saw there was the last other kind of was the same with a red one. Right, Dad?
Yep.
And we got those and we put them in the fish tank. And soon the orange one and the red one died at pretty much the same day, huh? And then was it yellow or green?
I don't know what you're talking about.
My fish, was it yellow?
The fish you have now?
No, the one I used to have, was it yellow or green?
Yellow.
And then the yellow one died. And I left with my blue one that was the biggest fish, and the pink one that was the same size too. They're all the same kind though. And when I was on vacation, my dad was gonna come one day, and when that happened, well, he told us that the pink fish died, so we got everything. Finally, we understood why they died. Yeah, it was because Charlie would get too scared of the heat and not ever leave the light on for a whole night anymore. And the fish tank was so high that the fish just got sucked in sometimes when they would go disappearing. Hi, Dad?
Yep.
And the pink one actually died of coldness, huh?
Sure.
Or did it disappear in the
I don't know.
Me either, because it was a long time ago. And then the blue one, Blueberry, I changed its name to Blueberry, the winter fish, for not dying. I still have the blue one till this day, huh? And I also got a hermit crab before I got the fishes, huh?
Yeah, keep looking forward.
And then I got a baby hermit crab that somehow died against and the giant one survived.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Be careful again. Looks like there's some more ice up here. Yep. This is an old train tunnel. It's all right. Here, you can. When we got off our bikes, the trail is just over there, the main trail. But right up here is a waterfall. It's about 15 feet. Crab Orchard Creek Falls or something like that. Let's go over here and check it out. Be careful. There you go.
Whoa.
What the best way is to get a good view of it. Let's see. Alright, we got over here closer to it on the rocks. Careful. It's a pretty one. Alright, I think she's worried about the bikes. Let's see, we came in on the other side. Let's see if it's any easier to get out of here on this side. I don't know if it will be or not. Let's see if there's a path up here. We may have to go back to the other side. Yeah, we'll have to get back over there on that side of the creek and get the bikes. You'll have to go back and get yours. It won't be hard to do. We kind of hid them because Claire was afraid somebody would get them with all these people out here. There's all a big crowd of nobody. All right, let's get on up and out of here. I guess this was an old railroad tunnel. I don't know if it'll pick it up on camera, but it says 1922 up on the top.
The icicles on my head. On the side.
It was 99 years old. Yeah, some of those icicles were falling, weren't they?
Hello.
Hello.
I want to see that.
That would be cool if that one fell, huh? I wouldn't want to be underneath it.
You want to make it fall?
How are you gonna make it fall?
You just hit it.
With what? That's a big one. Oh, that was a big chunk that fell.
See, when you come over here, you need to be really.
Yep, because they're all up through there.
They'll go away soon, but not today. And it's really dusty in here, I guess, right now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So.
All right, we made it back this far from the waterfall. There's not much left to go. You ready? I'll finish it up.